This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can adjust the control sensitivity on this drone. So at the start, you will need to enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, launch settings. By tapping at those three dots you'll find to your top right. Here select the first category you'll find, that is MC settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, enter advanced settings and go for the sensitivity. And here you can change the altitude change sensitivity by, using your default keyboard. You can change the brake sensitivity as well, and the yaw endpoint sensitivity. So left to the input fields you can find the allowed values. So for example, for the altitude you can set the values between 20 and 100%, for brake 70 and 130, and for yaw endpoint 30 and 250. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.